Buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with Coinmama couldn't be easier, and in this short video, we're going to show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is head over to coinmama.com and click on Sign Up. Once you've entered your email address and registered your information, it's time to get your account verified. Getting verified is a straightforward process that helps us to protect our users from scams and fraud. You'll just need to enter your personal information and upload your ID, along with a selfie showing you holding your ID and a piece of paper with Coinmama and today's date written on it by hand. It's a super straightforward process, and the website will guide you through each step. But if you're having trouble, just shoot us an email at support@coinmama.com. Our verification team works round the clock, so once you've uploaded your documents, your account should be approved in no time. Now that the verification process is out of the way, it's time for the fun part. Let's buy some Bitcoin. Log into your account at coinmama.com. Right there on your account page, you should see a little box with Pay and Receive. Under Pay, you simply enter how much you want to spend. Once you enter the amount you wish to pay, you'll see how much crypto you're going to get under Receive. Go ahead, try it. Pause me, I'll wait here. Once you're happy with the amount, just click Buy. Next, you'll be asked to enter your wallet address. We recommend using copy and paste for this part to avoid mistakes. If you don't have a crypto wallet yet, don't worry. Many of our users opt for Zengo, and there's a link to their website right here on this page for you. You'll also find your order summary on the right-hand side. It's always a good idea to check the order summary to make sure you're happy with what you're about to spend and how much crypto you'll be getting. Once you've double-checked everything and you've entered your wallet address, click Go to Payment. On this page, you simply choose how you'd like to pay from the list of options. Then click Buy. Card purchases are instant and will appear in your wallet pretty quickly, usually within a few minutes and almost always within a couple of hours. If you choose to pay by bank transfer, you'll receive instructions on screen and by email, which you need to complete either through your online banking or at your local branch. As soon as we receive your transfer, the price of the crypto is locked, and you'll receive your crypto in a matter of minutes. See, couldn't be easier. Once you're verified, you can buy crypto in less than a minute at coinmama.com. And if you do happen to run into trouble, don't worry. We've got the best customer service team in the crypto industry standing by, ready to help you. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was useful and that you'll be the proud owner of some new crypto very soon.